students, that already we have discussed the relation between small g and capital G. Small g is the acceleration due to gravity and capital G is the universal gravitational constant. And you know the values of these two values. Capital G, the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Already you know the relation, and that from the relation you make G equal to small g equal to capital G, capital M upon R square. That means capital G is the gravitational constant, M is the mass of the earth, and capital R is the radius of the earth. And my target is that we have to calculate the value of the acceleration due to gravity. What will be its value of acceleration due to gravity at the different places on the earth? On the surface, if you consider on the surface that G equal to Gm by R square, and the value of capital G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, and mass of the earth equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and the radius of the earth equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. You have to note down it. You have to remember this thing. If some questions will be coming for calculation relating to that mass of the earth and the radius of the earth, you will be finding on the question paper that value. That value will be getting in the question paper. So if you put the values of capital G, capital M, R in the above expression, we get it G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied with mass equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 upon 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. And if you calculate it and you get it the 9.8 meter per second square, you know it the value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. That is the maximum value you can tell it. Eh? So how that small g, the value of the g changes if you move from one place to another place on the earth. So actually earth is of this type of, actually earth is not a complete spherical in shape. It is flattened above like that. Flattened above like that. By considering that point, if you find the variation of g with shape of the earth, and from the above expression, if capital G, capital M is the constant, the g is inversely proportional to the square of the earth. G inversely proportional to the square of the radius. So if you look on here, the variation of g with shape of the earth, what happens? G is inversely proportional to the square of the radius. The r, that r is the distance from the center, or we tell it as the radius of the earth. So this r, you just mind it, this r, and if you consider this r, will be different because this part are the equator and this part are the pole. So at the equator we will find the capital R, or this pole distance is more than this one. So at the equator, the value of G, what will happen? The value of G is more at the pole because R less, G more. R more, G less. R is more at the equator, so that the value of G will be less in equator and the value of the G is more in pole. So that if you move from equator to pole, the acceleration due to gravity, the value of small g increases. Value of the small g increases. Again, suppose if you want to move above the earth, above the surface of the earth, in this point, suppose if you are going above the surface of the earth, what will be the value of the acceleration due to gravity? And from the, if you move above the earth, this formula can be reduced as g at the height h, that is equal to g capital M upon, in place of r you are adding the r plus h, that is the r plus h, and square is there. And here already I have done what happened, gm, and in between these two already I have taken the r common. Inside the bracket r is taken common. Whenever that r is coming outside the bracket, it is becoming r square, and the inside part is becoming 1 plus h upon r whole square. This gm by r square equal to g, value of the acceleration due to gravity on the surface, g upon 1 plus h by r square. So what happens here? At the height h, the value of acceleration due to gravity g, and that is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, and this part is more than 1. As it is that this part is more than 1, so this value of the acceleration due to gravity at h will be less than g. Value of acceleration due to gravity at a height h is less than the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. So it is clear that if you move from the surface of the earth to a height, the acceleration, the value of acceleration due to gravity will be reduced, will be decreased. In the same manner, suppose earth is here, and if you go depth, if you move depth, that is d. So what will happen? If you move to a depth d, below the surface of the earth, in this case also value of acceleration due to gravity reduces. So from here it is clear, from the surface you are getting the acceleration due to gravity. If move up, acceleration due to gravity decreases. If you move down, acceleration due to gravity also decreases. If you move from equator to pole, acceleration due to gravity increases. At the pole, we tell the acceleration due to gravity, the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum, that is 9.8 meter per second square. In the next video, I will just tell you that what is the difference between small g and capital G, and what is the difference between the mass and the weight. That part I will send you through the notes also. Thank you very much.